This is going to be a video on how to introduce a new dog to your home. This is a 5-month-old German Shepherd puppy named Glitzy. This is her first day in the home, and we are going to go over my process for bringing a new dog into your home. These are placemats, so I'm going to be showing Glitzy the place command. As you can see, Glitzy is all over the house right now, and she's just going on a mission to explore. And you don't want a dog establishing bad habits in your home. Things like chewing shoes, peeing on that one specific rug. If you leave them to their own devices, oftentimes they may decide to do something that you don't find so convenient. So I'm going to show her place here. Come on, Glitzy. Place. Good. No. No. It's not that she's being bad on purpose. She doesn't know any better, but I got to teach her. That's not acceptable. You're a good girl. So, again, that's the process. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.